Hi there, sales professionals. Are you tired of spending countless hours on creating and manually processing with quotations? Do you find yourself getting frustrated with the inefficiency of the multi-level approval process? Well, today I have some exciting news for you. Today I'm here to introduce you to the best automated quotation software that will revolutionize your business.
What makes DealDox CPQ a game changer?
DealDox is specifically designed to automate the complete sales cycle.
DealDox simplifies multi-level approvals.
DealDox makes price list switching easy.
DDCPQ supports multiple currencies, allowing businesses to quote price in different currencies.
DealDox is an AI-driven quotation software.
DealDox as it combines AI with powerful automation capabilities.
DealDox is easy to adapt and implement.
DealDox, your one-stop solution to close any desirable deal.
DDCPQ enables automated code generation.
DealDox is a subscription-based quotation software.
With DealDox, you have the capability to effortlessly generate deal documents in both local and international languages.
DealDox!